Shooting for this movie, I mean, tentatively titled Gola Gola, where Shivaji is a lead, and we have people like Chitram Sridu and Dhanraj and Satyam Rajesh and Ramchandra and stuff. It's been an amazing experience. Most of the shoot has been in the night, so actually most of them are sleepy and stuff like that, but they have never been tempers and stuff. I've absolutely loved it. Shivaji is a very professional fellow, and he has always given me tips on, you know, what not to do and what to do on camera and stuff. And yeah, with Dhanraj and Chitram Srinu around, you can never be bored on set. They're constantly alive and they're constantly active on set. I think they keep the entire set on toes with their jokes and with their songs. They just burst out into an impromptu song at any time. You can't, I mean, really, you can expect the unexpected with these guys. I think you can really say that. And Dhanraj, he has been, see, actually I don't follow much of Telugu, so when we are short on time and the director has to explain the dialogues, he just ends up saying it in Telugu, and I'm like, what just happened? So I think I should really thank Dhanraj for helping me out here, because he knows a bit of Hindi and Tamil and stuff, so he used to translate all the dialogues and what's happening in the scene explanation and stuff. Each and everything, he used to patiently sit and explain everything to me in Tamil and stuff. So I have to thank him again and again for what this is. And again, he has taught me a lot of technical aspects. The artist should always take the light, and Guthrie, take care of, you know, don't cut yourself, don't be the shadow. All these things he's keeps giving me tips about. Srinu, again, he's quite a reserved kind of a person until you get to know him. The moment you know him, he's so much fun to be around. And again, Ramchandran is again you can say he's recluse and stuff, but if he opens up, he just opens up like crazy. Satyam Rajesh, I've already worked with him in the movie called Six, which we did prior. In that movie, I know he's a comedy artist, but in that movie he had a very serious role. So suddenly to find him again and again him doing comedy and stuff was quite refreshing, and he's a good support. He was a good support there, and he's still a good support here. So that's it. And yeah, coming to the director and cameraman and stuff, Vasu sir has been amazing. He's been so damn patient with me. Anything, he can explain the same thing to me 10 times, 20 times over with the same tone, without losing patience, without getting angry. I think I should really be grateful for him for all that. And again, Shyam Garu has been really good to me in explaining the dialogues and stuff. Yeah, so that's it.